Hey, what's going on? Austin Tistel here, and I'm with our buddy Jasper. Now, you might have heard about this AI writing assistant that supposedly can write copy for you. And you're really curious, does Jasper actually meet the hype? Well, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to write an ad for a gym, an email for a real estate agent, and a blog post for a dentist. Now, I admit, the tool is really cool, but what's even cooler is the community around Jasper. As I record this now, over 50,000 people are here in Jasper Nation. This is by far the most engaged community in content marketing, and people are always sharing their cool ways of using the tool to get their blog posts ranked on Google, to increase their conversions on their ads, and truthfully just to save a ton of time in their workflow. Now at Jasper, we have two different plans for different use cases, so by the end of this video, you'll have enough information to make an informed decision on which of these two plans to go with. Let me break them down for you. So the starter plan is for writing short form copy like ad creative, website copy, and product descriptions, whereas boss mode is writing long form content like blog posts, emails, stories, video scripts. And starter comes with 20,000 words per month, whereas boss mode comes with 50,000 words per month. As your content needs grow, you can scale up from there. Like if you add team members or you start saving time in different workflows by using Jasper. But these will be plenty enough to get you started. Now both plans come with over 50 different templates, and these are based on industry best practices and proven examples. It could be everything from summarizing your text to writing your personal bio for LinkedIn, writing YouTube descriptions, clever Instagram captions, your ads for your Google My Business, even product descriptions for your Shopify store. Now, I'd love to go through all of these, but you're short on time. So let's hop into a Facebook ad for Crunch Fitness Gym. Now, here on the left, we just put in a little background information so Jasper knows about what to write about. And then here in the tone of voice, we can do all kinds of stuff. Let your imagination go wild. You can do angry, funny, sad, witty, clever. Jasper's also really good at doing celebrity impressions. So for a gym, let's do Hulk Hogan. How about that? Click generate, and now while Jasper's thinking, let me tell you a little background. Jasper has read about 10% of the internet in 2019, so it knows all about your niche. And if there's anything that's really new after 2019, then you can just put it here in the product description. So let's see what Jasper wrote. Are you ready to get jacked? Sounds like Hulk Hogan. I'm not talking about getting a little bit bigger. I'm talking about getting so jacked that people will call you the Hulk. And the best part is it doesn't have to cost an arm and a leg. Oh, this is so good you could ship it. Do you see how much faster this is than just trying to start from scratch? And if you really want to try and generate a lot of ideas, maybe you're doing testing for your ads, then you can crank this sucker up to 10. This is perfect if you're trying to create ideas at scale, or you're just haven't had your coffee yet and you're feeling a little lazy. So that's some of the cool features you get on the starter plan. Let's hop into boss mode, where you get access to documents. Now I want you to imagine documents is kind of like Google Docs if you had an assistant in there and you're the boss giving your assistant instructions on how to do stuff. Now for our first example, imagine a real estate agent who has a lot of outbound sales emails to send out this week, and he wants to save some time by using his AI assistant Jasper. Now, you're probably getting a hang of this by now. On the left, we give Jasper some context of our situation, any background information we need, along with tone of voice and keywords. And then on the right, we can supply a pattern so Jasper can follow that, because Jasper's really good at following patterns, and apply that with all of the information it knows from the internet. So here, we just provided a really good example of what good behavior would look like. And then we provided some merge tags, empty little slots that we want Jasper to fill in. In our situation, the real estate agent's Dave, client's James, market's Austin, Texas. It's the New Year season. Demand is up, inventory is down, and we want them to hop on a call. So now we're going to write with AI. We're going to do a Jasper command. Remember that feature for later, okay? Now, what we're going to do is activate voice mode. Hey Jasper, write an email from Dave to James about an update on the Austin, Texas real estate market and ask for a call later this week. All right, we're submitting that command. Imagine if you're the boss and Jasper's your assistant. Now, he's following your directions. Look at that. It's perfect. You can go ahead and ship it. Imagine all of the sales emails you could send if it were just a click of a button.